The Art Major Asian Plus Scholarship, also referred as AMA Plus, offered at Korea National University of Arts, is now officially open for studies in South Korea in 2027. This is what is covered by the scholarship. They would provide you with an air ticket between your home country and South Korea. You would receive a monthly allowance of 800,000 Korean won. You would have a 6 months intensive Korean language training, and then they would pay your tuition fee for regular semesters only, and then you will receive a 200,000 Korean won settlement allowance when you get into South Korea, and then they would pay you 1 million won once you're done with your thesis. And then for proficiency grants, you would receive 100,000 won per month for 1 year, and they would also pay your health insurance. And here is the application timeline. Application guideline has been released in April, and then online application, as you can see here, will begin on the 5th of May and then will end on the 15th of May. For those who already know about AMA Plus, the Asian Major Arts at Korea National University of Arts, they know that it is always sometimes in April, May, and June. And they also know that you need topic level depending on the major that you're applying to. They know that having a topic is a must because studies are 100% in Korean language. If you have any issues, you can send an email to this email address. Document screening are scheduled to begin on the 15th of May and will end on the 30th of May. To apply, you must make sure that your country is on this list from Afghanistan, Algeria, Albania, right down to, you would have more countries down here. There is Zambia and even the West Bank and Gaza Strip. So make sure you verify your country on this list before applying. It is important to note that this scholarship is mainly for those who want to venture in the arts. Let's look at the majors that are available for application. Here are the majors that are available. For music, you would have the different majors from bachelor's, master of arts, and then the topic level. It is important for me to insist that this is a program that is entirely in Korean language. You must have obtained your topic to be eligible to apply for this scholarship. So if you go down, you would find music and the topic level and the degrees that are available at both bachelor's and master's degree level. That is still music, solo, you have composition, choir conducting, orchestra conducting. So you will have to go to the website, this website, and then download the application files here. This is the application document and this is the application guideline. It is always important to read the application guideline of every scholarship before applying. Don't come to me and ask for help if you've not yet read this document and have understood it very well. It is pointless for me to spend time trying to help you when you're not trying to help yourself. And also, most importantly, make sure you read the frequently asked questions. Later on, I would make a video explaining the application guideline, but I already have past video on past AMA Plus scholarship application guideline explanation. So if you want to have an idea about the scholarship, you can watch the past videos while you wait for me to upload a new video on the 2027 AMA Plus scholarship to do an arts major in South Korea. So make sure you wait for detailed explanations on how to go about applying for this scholarship. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.